very harsh industrial use cases. Now it's also compatible with that double spectrum camera system. You can just use the magnetic mechanism to hook it right here on your temple, and it will work. And by default, we'll ship you the titanium frame, which is foldable. This is the lightest form factor, but we still recommend you to use this, the medical goggles version. It's much, much safer when comparing to other solutions to give your users full protection and not affected by the virus. Additionally, we also designed this thing. Some of you guys might be familiar with is this, the hammer clip. I have the white wall behind me, so in this case, you might be able to see it clearly. So this is compatible with helmet like the MSAB guard type, and you can just, by sliding in, and you'll put this on helmet, and you can adjust the display like this because the tube is soft, but not wobbly. It's very stable, as you can see. By adjust this tube, you can see the full display. That really differentiates our product from the others. And the solution, the Hammout clip solution, also compatible with the tactical Hammout. With the, I think the mount is called Fast. You can see a slider here. And by putting this on the Hammout, you can put the display in front of your eye as well. So this is our all the form factors available for this product. And let's jump straight forward to the slides, and I'll give you some details about this solution, both hardware and software. Which, yeah, please. Okay, I believe now you guys can see the slide. Yeah, let's get started. So, okay, can you see the display? Okay, cool. So, thank you. So, according to news report this morning, I think the confirmed cases has just passed 2.4 million, which is a huge number. It really affected a huge number of people. And this coronavirus issue really caused a lot of problem to our lives. Not only here in China, but I believe also in Europe, in Southeast Asia, in America. Please have my best regards to everyone in your country, and we hope everything just get back to normal as soon as possible. And in this coronavirus combat, many companies released their solution for the temperature measurement solution, because fever is treated as one of the most significant effects that showed by this virus, that if you get this virus, you normally show kind of fever issue. So we designed the same thing. Sorry, not the same thing. We designed a similar stuff based on the double spectrum camera system. What differentiates our product from the others is, in conclusion, I think there are three unique characters for our product. The first one is our product is really accurate. The overall accuracy is about plus minus 0.3 degrees centigrade. By using the double spectrum technology in our artificial intelligence engine, we really bring the accuracy to a new level, which I believe our competitors still struggling with 0.5 or plus minus 0.5 degrees centigrade, and we can make it to 0.3. This is a huge breakthrough. And the reason it's accurate is not only because of the double spectrum camera system, also benefit from our artificial intelligence capability. Our device captures human faces automatically. So I believe you guys might be already familiar with those thermometer helmets or thermometer glasses released by our competitors. The issue with their product is you can only use the center of the preview area as an aiming tool to get temperature reading, but the device does not provide you automatic facial recognition capability. In addition to that, we put our very matured facial recognition stuff into this product, and we just make the whole user experience, we bring the user experience to a whole new level. In this product, you don't need to aim the camera module to a specific face. Let's say Lucia's sitting in front of me, and I don't need to point this accurately to Lucia's face because the camera captures faces automatically. And by capturing these faces automatically, the camera knows where the face is located and it will take your forehead temperature automatically. So I can do a demonstration later after I finish the slides presentation, where you can see if I put a glass of hot water and if I let Lucia stand beside the ambient light, it won't really affect the final results. And the second thing is our product, our solution takes temperature readings really fast. It responds in just 1 second. You're not only getting the temperature reading, the temperature reading comes instantaneously once you turn the cameras on. But in addition to that, you can also know the people's identity profile by using facial recognition. Let's say this person should be isolated, but he or she walks into the building without letting everybody know his or her identity. Our product will recognize this person should be isolated, even if his or her temperature is normal. So everything, all the results come back in just 1 second. And the third thing is our product really concentrated in safe and secure requirements, not only for this medical goggles, which is made out of soft rubber. This one is ANSI Z87.1 authorized and also meets the FCC and CE compliance. So it's a very mature product with all the certification you're gonna need. And this safety goggle comes with 4 small, should I say, windows, which allows air go inside the goggles, so you won't see fogs or mist in front of your eye. This is a huge bonus. And besides, this product is not only safe for the user, it's also safe for audiences. Normally you see when the conventional helmet or eyewears taking temperature readings, they require the audiences to take off their mask or remove their safety goggles. This could be very risky in crowds of people. So we developed our new algorithm, which captures and recognizes faces with masks on. I'll demonstrate this to you later as well. So audiences do not need to remove their mask to take temperature reading and to confirm their identity. They can just walk like normal, and our product will capture multiple faces, respond the result in 1 second with plus minus 0.3 degrees centigrade accuracy and 99.7% facial recognition accuracy. So that's our product: accurate, fast, safe, and secure. Let's jump to the second page of our slide. So yeah, here, as you can see, this is our product. And by default, we're going to ship you the medical goggles version. But in addition to that, we also have the naked frame, the frame with prescription lenses, myopia, hyperopia, and sunglasses, safety goggles, made out of polycarbonate and helmet. It's your choice to have what kind of accessories integrated in your solution or your scenario. And by default, in front of your eye, you're going to see the infrared image and temperature reading results. Once you get a alert notification, let's say the person's temperature reading, the forehead temperature reading exceeded your preset value, an alert information will be popped up in front of your eye, just in this small display, and you will hear notification sound. And let's jump to the next page. So yeah, in this page, we're gonna give you a measurement that this is our specs for the product. So similar spec to our Glass SE, same display, more advanced camera system, and the same excellent artificial intelligence capability. So the camera system really revolutionized in this generation. We put a small infrared module beside this Glass SE module, and we did some hardware and software development based on this. This gives you double spectrum image from this camera system. And yeah, so here are some specifications I talked earlier: 0.3 degrees centigrade accuracy, and the recognition distance is from 0.5 meters to 3 meters. And all your results come back in just 1 second with 99.7% accuracy. And our product works in a very good temperature measurement range from 32 degrees to 42 degrees. Sorry, the display just too far away from my eyes. Yeah, thank you, Lucia. And so yeah, this is our hardware product, and it also supported faces with masks on. For battery lives, here's a good thing. For our competitors' product, normally they provide battery life from 20 minutes to an hour, which is kind of insufficient for frontline users. In our solution, we provide power bank capability, which means you can attach the USB cable to a power bank and extend the battery life from 4 hours to even 10 hours. 4 hours is already amazing. By default, our solution comes with the Android smartphone, already gives you 4 hours of battery life. And here's the next page. I want to talk to you about our system structure, the overall architecture of our product. We have 3 versions. The first version is an facial recognition only, the offline version. This version allows you to use our whole solution without the server, without network connection. So if you found your scenario really requires, if your scenario really requires to use the product offline, we recommend you to use it in this way. You only need the hardware and Android client to make it work. And the second solution is the online mode. I believe most of you guys are already familiar with. If you have a very large number of face database, and if you already have a face database by your own, you can connect our platform with your facial recognition platform. The only difference from the offline mode is the offline mode supports only 100,000 faces, while the online mode can give you up to 1 billion faces accessibility. It is your choice to choose which one to go for. And the third one is the API connection version. In this version, we give you guys full control of customizations, post-packaging and development capabilities based on this. So you can basically dock your own platform to our APIs and get facial recognition result, temperature reading result, and store all the data in your own platform, which is a good thing. But just in case, if you guys want to use this solution as soon as possible, we recommend you to choose the first two solutions so we can deploy these solutions really fast and easy, because for offline recognition mode and the SaaS version, basically you don't need to do any development, just very simple deployment. Everything can be accomplished in just 5 minutes. And we have our own professional technical support team to do this for you. And here's come to the next page, where I want to give you a comparison between our product and the conventional thermometer, as well as the temperature, infrared temperature camera, which you normally see in airport and in the metro subways. So for recognition distance, normally a static camera tends to take temperatures further than our product because they have more advanced camera system. But the negative effect is their camera module is really big, really huge. That kind of gigantic module cannot be installed on small devices like this. So in our product, we really equipped with one of the smallest, but also high performance infrared module on this platform. In this case, we extended the recognition distance from 2 meters to 3 meters. When I say 2 meters, I mean most of our competitors, those HAMOUT makers, those HAMOUT manufacturers, those eyewear manufacturers, normally their recognition distance is just 1 to 2 meters, and we can make it 3. And in addition to that, we can recognize multiple faces, while normal traditional thermometer, like the handheld thermometer, only lets you take temperature readings, 1 for each time. And for most glasses and helmets, they can do 1 person each time as well. They can now do multiple faces. That's a huge bonus. And for flexibility, we can, we provide really good mobility with this kind of design. You can bring this to anywhere you want. In China, when some companies and schools try to reopen, they come to our solution because instead of the conventional static camera, because you can take this to anywhere you want. You can recognize vehicle plate licenses, you can do facial recognitions, you can do temperature readings wherever you need it. But for a static camera, you can just you cannot move it to let's say to a new campus or to a new building. You have to put it there. It has to be there to take the reading. And the last but not least is our product provides you the passive detection capability. And I think I really need to emphasize this because this really differentiates our product from the others. Most of the competitors' product are still struggling with aiming to the target, get the number, and this kind of conventional workflow, which is not very efficient. And if you really try that, you're gonna be really tired in just 5 minutes. For our product, as you can see from the short video, you don't have to aim this to a face specifically. You just stand there and let everybody walk, pass by from your side, and you should be able to get all their temperature readings. This is a huge bonus. And talking about scenarios, we recommend 4 scenarios for this product, but I believe you guys already come up with more exciting scenarios based on this piece of new technology. The first one is, of course, transportation centers, airports, railways, subway metros, bus stations, highway checkpoints. Those could be very good scenarios to take temperature readings and get the virus controlled. So the second scenario is in working area, offices, buildings, like where we are right now. Believe it or not, in China, actually all the buildings in the first floor, they have the infrared temperature measurement tool. Either passive or active, they have the tool. And in my residential area, I need to take temperature readings every single time when I go out and go inside. So it's very strict, and I think it really helps China to, defeat this coronavirus disaster, because to win this combat, because you take temperature readings so frequently. If one person gets a fever, you gotta find this person as soon as possible. And the third thing is also very important, and I believe there's huge business opportunities inside, is school areas. In China, not all the schools have reopened, but many schools have already showed up their interest in inquiring these solutions from us, because they want to make sure that none of their students get affected because they're just many young people, especially children's teenagers. Could be a very dangerous place if one of them get affected, and the school's going to face very serious social challenge from students' parents, from medias. And the fourth thing is community or residential areas, like the place where we live. In each residential areas in China, you need to take temperature readings. And I believe this could become normal in Europe, in Southeast Asia, in the upcoming days. So this could be a very good place for you guys to take temperature readings with this. And just in case, not joking, if any of you guys are concerned about the privacy issue, I can guarantee that our product really serves great in the privacy protection. Really serves great features in the protecting people's privacy, because all of the offline databases, faces, or vehicle plates are not stored as images. They are stored as feature strings. If you guys are familiar with artificial intelligence training, algorithm training, I believe you guys are familiar with this concept, the feature strings. It's basically a very long paragraph of characters, and it's absolutely secure, and you cannot restore this to a face or to an image, because you just don't have this algorithm to do that. So just in case if you lost the phone, or the phone has been stolen by someone, the auditors and the people who lives in the residential area, their profile won't be leaked. So really protect people's privacy. And if your auditors feels that taking temperature reading and do identity confirmation is not good for the privacy, you can just turn off the facial recognition feature and let the glass detect the face, and let the thermometer do the temperature reading later. And after that, I want to talk to you about I want to share with you about our additional features on this platform. Despite facial recognition, temperature reading, we also come up with video recording and vehicle plate licenses recognitions, as well as data management. So this actually brings a lot of opportunities to your solution, or maybe your own platform, because our product do not only capture people's face and take temperature readings, In addition to that, it also record where the temperature is taken and when it is taken and what the background image or what was the scenario looks like, because we can record videos. We can take pictures automatically once the dual spectrum camera take a temperature reading. So for each result, you can see the onset image, the temperature reading, when the temperature is taken, where it was taken, and how it looks by in the video. So it really gives you it really unleash the possibility to use this kind of data by your own, which I think is a very huge bonus for this. And besides, I think since many of you already have your own facial recognition database, you don't have database with masks on. So here I have a surgical mask, very conventional surgical mask. If I put the mask on, as you can see, the most part of my face is already covered with the mask. But even for that, our product recognizes who am I and my temperature. And the best part about this is even with the masks on, it recognizes this is Tianyu, and you can store my face with the mask into your database. So you can literally create your own database that everybody have their masks on. This is a very new method to play with our solution. And yeah, this is our slide, which gives you a very brief introduction about our double spectrum thermometer solution. So if any of you guys are interested in this solution, please contact Wenjiang, Lucia, and all our salesperson you're familiar with. They're gonna give you access to testing this product. And at this moment, my team member is testing the some network connection issue. I think the preview was jammed in the remote projection tool on the computer. So let's try it again. Later after this, I will give you a demonstration of how to use this product. Our product managers are working on that. Yes. And so yeah, thank you for joining the call. If any of you guys have questions, please type this into the comment field, and if I can see that, I'll answer your questions. And here comes to a question from David. I need to understand outdoor accuracy. We planning to use on the mines. However, we're concerned about outdoor temperature affecting the measurement. That's a very good question, David. I should admit that by default, we don't recommend you to use this solution in outdoor situations, because even if we optimize the algorithm for ambient light and the parallax correction for rangefinder, it also generates the errors, especially when you're pointing this device to really harsh sunlight. And what you can see on the screen at this time is Lucia and our product manager was demonstrating. Please switch back to my preview. Lucia and our product manager was demonstrating a short video of our solution, how it looks from the viewfinder. So when Haoyang is our product manager, by the way, he's in charge of the security product. Our Glass Force platform was designed by this guy, really amazing. And Hao just pointed this glass to Lucia's face, and he get recognition results. Sorry, I think. What? And another question from Mike. What's the face enrollment process like? The face enrollment process is really simple. I'll show it to you after Haoyang give me the phone. Please quick, Haoyang. And basically, there's a small button on the upper right corner on your screen for each recognition result. By typing on that screen, you can add this captured face to your existing database, or you can just create a new database. Thank you. 你们尽量不要打断我的这个演讲流程，不要一会儿给我指到那儿，指到那儿，这不太好。Sorry, speaking Chinese for a while. And I just put this on again. So as you can see, I try to
this camera here.
Oh, this camera. Okay, nice. So here's the infrared image. When I look at Lucia, she actually has a glass of hot water in her eye, in her hands, and she has her mask on. And you can see the overall recognition result was not affected by the glass of water. The device just keep taking temperature readings continuously. And don't forget, we still have very harsh ambient light for the webinar, for broadcasting, and we have really hot smartphone in front of my eyes, which is doing the live streaming. So yeah, as you can see, this is the overall performance. But back to David's question, we still don't recommend you to use this outdoor because it could be affected by the sunlight. And oh, another question. If the temperature is around 40, will the accuracy be the same or there will be any difference? Okay, so that's a very good question. We did a very accurate compensation algorithm optimization on this software platform. So even the temperature exceeded 40 degrees, the accuracy still remains plus minus 0.3 degrees centigrade. So you don't need to worry about that. I think it's really secure and useful. And what will be the result if someone has drank hot water or hot coffee? Let's have a try. Lucia, please drink some hot water.
Yeah, this is hot water. And the bottle is a bit big.
And Lucia, please come into this. So here's Lucia.
Hello, this is quite a hot water here, you may see.
And here's my preview. And if I look at her, please drink a little.
Okay.
Now Lucia's body temperature is around 36.5 degrees centigrade. The temperature remains almost the same. And don't forget,
drinking the water.
Yeah,
the water is
just drinking the water, nothing happens. The water is approximately 70 degrees, I guess. So the result is not affected. And another new question. How to stationize the equipment post use? How to sanitize the equipment post use? Yeah, just let me remove this so I can let you know. The great thing about Glass SE is the product comes with IP67 protection level. So in order to clean this product, you can just use 75% alcohol spray, just spray on this product and you can clean it. And you can use a clean cloth to wipe up the sweat or dirt on this product. So very convenient. And another question from David. To improve accuracy, are you able to use a black body hardware? We can put a black body control behind the quick of people as they walk past. Yeah, that's a very good question, David. I can see you are very professional on this kind of technology. we already use blackbody to correct the overall accuracy for this product. And this actually is one of the unique feature we have. The helmet and the smart glasses you saw from our competitors, they don't have blackbody corrections. That's why their accuracy are struggling with 0.5 degrees centigrade or sometimes even 1 degree centigrade. It's not really usable. We have a blackbody correction for this product already. When you open the box, you can just open and use it. You don't have to worry about the blackbody. And yes, guys, so I already finished all the streaming part. I'll give you approximately 20 minutes for interactions. If you guys have any questions, please type into the text box so I can see that. The IP rating for this product is IP67. Thank you, Fei. That's our CEO, by the way. Yeah, it's IP67, very rugged, and it provides really good drop-proof capability. And I think since you wear this on your head, you won't literally drop it. And let me, oops. And there's another person who's wanted to join this meeting. I just let her in. So yeah, this is our product, and recognize faces, take temperatures, fast, accurate, and safe. And these are our features, very unique features for the product. Oh, by the way, just give you a quick walkthrough of the modular design. As you can see here, we have screws inside the medical goggle. Once you receive this device, if you want to remove this smart glass module and put this on, let's say, either the polycarbonate safety goggle or the naked frame, it is your choice. It's very easy to do. We'll give you the screwdrivers to unscrew it and to unscrew those two screws and install this on those frames, which is super convenient. Please let me know if you guys have any other questions. I think you guys are very, very professional and you guys have some very good questions. I've never asked by any other customers or partners. Those are very good questions. And by the way, I just found many of you guys are really care about the product's accuracy. So I want to talk about how to guarantee the accuracy when using the product. Even if we optimize the overall accuracy for this product by artificial intelligence algorithm, by blackbody correction, it may still suffer from ambient light effect. Let's say if I use my iPhone's flash to point this camera module directly, it will affect the temperature reading. If I point this to the sun directly, it will affect the temperature reading as well. So each time when you switch to a new scene, we recommend you to put this on the table. Let it remain stationary for at least 5 minutes before using it again. After 5 minutes, the overall accuracy will be back to normal, which is 0.3 degrees centigrade. Oh, a new question from Mike. What is your experience with users who wear glasses? Do you have lenses with prescription correction options? Mike, that's a very good question. For medical goggles, as you can see, this is a really big goggle. And when we designed this goggle, we already consider about people who wear the prescription lenses. Let's use this frame for an example. Sorry, I don't wear prescription lenses, but imagine this is a pair of myopia lenses, and this is the medical goggles. I can just put it on inside the medical goggle like this, without any uncomfortness. This is a very good design. And just in case, if you don't want to use this medical goggle, our naked frame will come with our standard prescription lens insert, which allow you to hook it on the nose pipe arm. It is your choice to use either myopia or hyperopia lenses on this device. And for this polycarbonate safety goggles, we also have the myopia lenses inserts, which have really soft ribs. But consider about the performance and the overall security and safe use. We recommend you to use this. It's very comfortable design. Once you receive the product, you will appreciate for the overall comfortness. By default, we'll ship you this, by the way. And another question is, how about other frames? Oh yeah, other frames. Yeah, like I said, you can install lenses on it as well. So yeah, these are about myopia, hyperopia lenses, and just in case, if you guys are consider about the overall very secure, we do have a strap which hooks from the this tail and connects from this tail with this tail. In this case, we will put this on your head. Even when you're shaking your head, this frame won't fall off. New questions? No, sorry. So yeah, guys, this is our infrared temperature measurement solution. Fast, secure, and safe. Please let me know if you have any new questions about the product. And as you can see, it's really stable, still working. And now since Haoyang and Lucia are sitting in front of me, let me do a quick demonstration of how it looks. Sorry, I can't, project this small prisms display to the Zoom screen. So in this case, I can't let you see what I see, but basically what I see is on this small display already. Now I'm doing multiple faces recognition. Haoyang and Lucia is facing at me, and Lucia is holding a glass of hot water. Their temperature is good. I did a temperature reading this morning and said it's 37 degrees centigrade, and really frustrated me. Not by our device though. Our device is accurate. Yeah. So yeah, a new question from David. Do you have case studies to share, particularly outdoors on mines? I can also discuss with Johnny. I think please discuss this with Johnny. At this moment, I do not have any use cases for outdoor mines, but we do have outdoor uses. The product used outdoor in the oil and gas scenario for patrolling for the Sinopec. Those guys use our smart glasses to display the procedures and to record videos and to do remote video collaborations. But I think it will be a very interesting idea to use this outdoor. We can do a test. Yeah, please share your thoughts with Johnny as well, and welcome our new members. Just in case people who joined this meeting a minute ago, I'm talking about our double spectrum temperature measurement solution. This is a double spectrum camera-based thermometer solution, and you can see infrared temperature measurement results in front of the mirror display like this. Oh, by the way, when we ship you the device, we won't have this kind of annoying cable. This is just for test kit, and for battery life, I'm connecting to a power bank. That's why it looks so gigantic. By default, you're gonna have only two very thin cables. and Lucia's holding a glass of hot water in her hands. And yeah, as you can see, if she put this glass of hot water in front of her head, it won't take temperature reading unless she exposed her full face. In this case, put this and use this cover your face. Use the glass of hot water cover your face. Yeah, now Lucia's covering her face. Lucia's covering her face with a glass of hot water. Yeah, now you can see even the hot area, even if the hot area is already in front of her forehead, the system won't report as alert information. This really proves the advanced technology of our artificial intelligence algorithm. Otherwise, if you try to use other helmets or smart glasses for this kind of situation, they normally will report as a warning message. And yeah, so this really helps you to work with this solution fast and easy. And people who joining this conversation, who joining this webinar, if you have any questions, please type in that message box so I can see your comments and I'll reply your questions in this broadcast. We still have about 10 minutes before we end the webinar. And by the way, just to give you a sneak peek of our future online webinars, this is our very first show. And after this, we're gonna give you at least 2 more webinars this week and next week. Please stay in touch. And the new question from Maro. Hey, hola, Maro. You guys did a great job. Thank you. Gracias. Bello. And new question from our Indian friend. Does facial and IR feature work together? Absolutely. This is a unique feature of our product. We can do facial recognition and temperature reading simultaneously. And you will get both results in just 1 second. And in addition to that, the face information will be stored together with the temperature information. Also with the time, space, and on-set image information, everything together. Very easy to track. And the new question from David, can you share the results on the phone to managers or even doctors? Sorry, David, I'm not quite sure what do you mean by this, but you can basically take a screenshot and send messages. If you want to share this infrared video, currently we can't do that, but we are working on that right now. New question from Mike. Information stored includes location information from mobile device. Yes, we have GPS information from the mobile device. So the system knows where and when the face was recognized, the temperature was taken. I believe this is a very useful information, especially when you find a person who really showed up fever or this person should be isolated. This information could be very helpful. We provide this kind of advanced search feature in our backend platform, in our software platform. This will let you track this type of alert information fast and easy. We have very advanced filter features. And yeah, sorry, I thought it was a new question. And yeah, I really want to show you, what I really want to show you is the room, the webinar room, how it looks. Give me a sec. This might be a little wobbly, but I really want to bring this to you. So here's Haoyang and Lucia. And as you can see, here's my phone doing the webinar. And we have really harsh ambient light. And Lucia, both Lucia and Haoyang, they are wearing masks. And that's the glass of hot water they used to demonstrate. Even with this, we can recognize the results in a very, very accurate way. This cannot be accomplished by any of our competitors. And we still have 5 minutes before we end the webinar. So please let me know if you have any questions. Oh, hi, Maru. How is the average battery life using a last generation smartphones? The battery life, by default, if you use just the smartphone, will give you approximately 4 hours battery life. Let's say Samsung's Galaxy series or the Mi phone or Huawei phones will give you approximately 4 hours battery life. But you can use a power bank to extend battery life as well. By default, we can ship you the our 2-in-1 cable, which many of you guys are already familiar with. It allows you to connect the cable, to connect the device to a power bank. And with a 10,000 milliamp battery, it will give you more than 10 hours battery life. So battery life is not really an issue. And Maru, please have my best regards to everybody in Milan. I hope everything just can be recovered soon. And to everyone else, the same. And a new question from Mike. How hot does the device get? Well, the overall temperature remains almost the same as our standard version of Glass SE because we didn't really add many new features on it. We just redesigned all the camera module and made a new algorithm. And because of the new algorithm is way more efficient than the previous one, the temperature feels really good. I cannot do temperature tests here for you, but I can show you that later. You're welcome. Please have my best regards to everybody in India as well. Namaste. I hope that's correct. I really want to learn some foreign language though. Yeah, before we end the call, I just want to give you, although this is the Glassforce platform you're already familiar with, this is how it looks. When I'm trying to capture Lucia's face and Haoyang's face, as you can see, the reading we just keep doing the reading. Even I let part of the ambient light into my view, it's still accurate and takes reading in a really fast way. Imagine there are 5 or 10 people passing away from, walking away from in front of me. I can capture all their faces, even if they're working. Thank you guys. And thank you. We'll take care. Same to you. Just let me put this on again. I really like this product, by the way. And it detects farts as well. I use this infrared module to watch cats and dogs, to birds, to hot coffees. I did everything. It's a really fun tool. It looks amazing. Thank you for the demo. Stay safe, everybody. Can you show the offline mode without face on? This version is actually the offline mode. If we turn off the face feature, I'm not sure if I can do that here because I think I'm trying to connect this to the backend platform with a specific feature at this moment. But if you really need that, I can record you a short video after this webinar. Oh, by the way, the one I'm demonstrating at this moment, oops, sorry. The one I'm demonstrating at this moment is the offline version without face on. Otherwise, you're gonna see facial recognition results displayed in the list. I feel not secure without my mask. So yeah, thank you guys. So before we end the call, let's get back to what we introduced today. So today I introduced you our double spectrum thermometer solution. It is fast, it is accurate, and it is secure. And if any of you guys are interested in purchasing this device or get a test kit from us, please contact our sales team. And I hope you guys enjoy this conference, and let's stay in touch, and I'll see you next time. Please take care, everybody, and wish we can win this fight with the coronavirus as soon as possible. Stay safe, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Worst. 马蓉那边情况好像也不是很好。
应该还没关上的。
我们开始。